Over 1 million pigeons are recorded being released in Portugal.
Já aconteceu, uma do engenheiro. Vamos parar então? Vamos parar. E as galinhas vão andar ali para ver.
A bear cub is released into the wild to rejoin its family. A lynx is released into Michigan's Upper Peninsula. A family of monkeys are happy to be going back home. Several months of intensive care and rehabilitation, June the turtle is released into the ocean. A pair of foxes have recovered after several weeks in care and are released back into the forest. A tigress in India is recorded being released back to the wild after recovering from some injuries.
Let's get it off. Oh, oh. Ah, there we go. That wasn't so bad, was it?
A baby penguin sees the ocean for the first time. A bald eagle is released back into the wild after undergoing 1 year of rehabilitation. A 3-year-old bear is released back into the wild in Montana, United States. A man buys over 100 birds at Jakarta Animal Market, only to then set them free.
Yeah, now we have 4 females and 5 males.
Okay.
And the leading role is Gusha.
Gusha?
Actually, the male role take part by the mother.
Oh, very nice. Can you feel their excitement and interaction anymore? Do you think they'll do good?
That's our objectives and our target.
A hedgehog is freed from ticks after luckily being discovered by a kind stranger.